As the revolutionary movement of South Africa, we're calling all the patriotic citizens to stand up and then join us to shut down South Africa. This is the matter of national interest. Nepal, they stood up. The youth of Nepal stood up and the adults of Nepal stood up and took over back their country from the politicians. We can do the same. We are calling all the patriotic citizens. We're calling all our law enforcement, South African Police Services, South African National Defence Force. We know that some of you, especially the South African National Defence Force, you were deployed in DRC. You never paid the money for that deployment. You don't know what else that this system is doing to you. We have the kingdoms that is waiting and ready to take over this country so that they can restore order back to the citizenry of the nation. Because we understand that all it is happening because the politicians doesn't care about the citizens. The politicians don't care about anyone else but themselves. So we're saying to you, the patriotic citizens of South Africa, our kingdom are calling. Our kingdom are asking for help from its own subjects, its own citizens, that it's time that we go back to the roots. We allow our kingdoms to take over the reins of the state. And then we run along and then we make sure that all the citizens are well taken care of. I'm calling for all of you for the national shutdown. This is about the national interest, nothing else. So if you know that you are a patriotic citizen, this message is going to you. And you know that you are a patriotic citizen, you should be standing up by now. We cannot be a nation that is directionless, ruled by the ruthless, by the cartels, the syndicates, the cabal. We need to change the status quo. We're calling upon you to stand up. The revolutionary movement of South Africa. Ramsa is calling. Our King's Council is calling for the rise of the citizens of this nation. It's either now or never. Otherwise, we will be the nation perishing without us understanding what is happening. Therefore, we're calling upon all the citizens. We're calling upon all the patriotic citizens. We're calling upon the adults. We're calling upon the youth. It's our time, it's our chance. If we miss this chance and this train leave us, our nation, our country is already doomed. So how long are we going to be silent? We're calling upon you that on the 13th of October is the day of shutdown. Nothing moves, nothing works. Let's go and shut down this country. We are giving politicians 24 hours to resign from parliament, to resign from legislature. We're saying relinquish the power, then allow the kings to take over the reign of the state. Allow the kings to take over. Because we cannot have you politicians holding us at ransom. Ushilo Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ukuthi lama politicians yibo abantu abasiphethe kabi. Abantu abasenza sicilazeke. Ama politicians ayasicelaza. Ama politicians barana le country njengathi I household yabo, izindlu zabo. Asibona abantwana bama politicians. Singabantwana bamakhosi. So siyanxusa ukuthi asisukumeni siphakameni sonke ngobuningi bethu. Sibanikeza amahora awu 24 lama politicians ukuthi balahle phansi bashiye phansi amandla uhulumeni, then sizokwazi ukufaka amakhosi wethu nathi ingane zamakhosi sikwazi ukuthi siphathe lelizwe lethu ngendlela efanele. Abantwana intsha ayisebenzi at all. Abantu abadala bakulesimeni sokusebenza abasebenzi. Izikolo zethu zihlangahlangene, infrastructure iyabheda, akukho la, ayikho into elungayo. So siyanicela abantu bala ekhaya ukuthi asukumeni simise lento le siyimise sibabonise lama osopolitiki ukuthi leli lizwe lethu uma sithi leyama lelizwe kumele lime and lima kanjalo. So asenzeni kanjalo bantwana benkosi, bantwana bamakhosi, asenzeni kanjalo abantwana bosilo, abantwana bezingonyama. Asukumeni sithatheni izwe lethu libuyele ezandleni ezifanele, ngoba lama politicians basaqhubeka bayasitshontshela, bayimake sure ukuthi akekho umuntu osukumayo, akekho umuntu ozuzayo kulomnotho wethu wala kule country. So sikhuluma nani sinjena siyiRamsa sithi lena iplatform yenu isebenziseni kanye nathi, yenu le platform asiyeni. Futhi siphinde sithi uLieutenant General Mkhwanazi senawe siyakusupporta ngayonke into eyenzayo, senawe ngayo sonke isikhathi emoyeni nasenyameni, senawe Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi. So ke ungakhathazeki, zonke lezi zinto abakuyenza zona lama politicians kuzophela uma unesikhathi, uma uready nawe ikhaya lakho leli Ramsa, you can come and join and be part of the solution, because siyabona ukuthi lama politicians bacabanga ukuthi yibo abaphethe la eSouth Africa. Abaphethe la eSouth Africa, kuphethe abahlali la, the indigenous people yibo abantu abaphethe la ekhaya. So asizozwa ngabo, sambeni siyobakhipha sibasuse basuke laphayana sephathe. Asiyeni maqabana, asiyeni abantwana benkosi, abantwana bezingonyama, abantwana bamakhosi. Asukumeni sambe umhlaba wethu lo shut down from midnight 12 o'clock, making sure ukuthi sonke sithi ayikho into ihambayo, ayikho into iphumayo, ayikho into engenayo emalokishi, ayikho into iphumayo emalokishi. Emgwaqweni i-shut down siyenze nje ibe lula, siyenze unganyakazi lutho. Asiyeni maqabana, asiyeni abantwana benkosi. Ngiphambi kwenu ngiyi-humble servant yenu ngithi ke asikho isidingo sokuthi sibe esimeni senhlupheko ngenxa yama-politicians. Asiyeni ke sibanikeza 24 hours ukuthi bayeke basuke emandleni amakhosi wethu athathe. Aluta continue.